Will, for future. Go camping. Will you go camping next summer?
Yes, we will. We will go camping next summer.
Have a picnic. Will they have a picnic next weekend?
Yes, they will. They will have a picnic next weekend.
Make sandcastles. Will they make sandcastles next time?
Yes, they will. They'll make sandcastles next time.
Swim in the sea. Will he swim in the sea tomorrow?
Yes, he will. He'll swim in the sea tomorrow.
One more time. Affirmative.
We will go camping next summer.
Negative.
She won't have a barbecue next Sunday.
Interrogative. Will he swim in the sea tomorrow? Repeat. Go surfing. Will he go surfing next summer?
No, he won't. He won't go surfing next summer.
Go fishing. Will they go fishing next month?
No, they won't. They will not go fishing next month.
Have a barbecue. Will she have a barbecue next Sunday?
No, she won't. She won't have a barbecue next Sunday.
Stay in a hotel. Will we stay in a hotel next summer?
No, we won't. We won't stay in a hotel next summer.
Well done. See you soon in the next video.